I'm gonna be doing my first wash day routine, but it's not my actual first wash day routine. It's not my actual first wash day routine, but y'all get what I'm for y'all. So yeah, I just woke up around like 11 something. So today I will be doing a wash and go using Wetline and string gel. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if I should do a wash and go, if I should do a twist out, but yeah. So let's just get right into the video. Okay, but anyways, so y'all, okay, so my hair has been a somewhat protected style for a week, and yeah, it is. My hair dry, y'all. It's really dry, but so since it's a wash day routine, you will need y'all, my lights are bright, shampoo and conditioner, Tangle teaser, spray bottle, oil of your own choice, gel. Okay, so y'all, I put in my conditioner, and I usually sit under the hooded dryer for about 20-25 minutes, and then I always rinse out my conditioner in the shower. So once I get done deep conditioning, I'm gonna go get in the shower and rinse this out. Hair look like with conditioner in it. Okay, so y'all, this is the hooded dryer I use. Sit under this hooded dryer for probably about 20 minutes. So the two main products that I'm gonna be using is this curl pudding, Shea mustard curl pudding, and my Wetline and string gel. So yeah, I'm doing the middle part for my wash and go. So I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer so my hair can dry faster. I usually don't like doing wash and goes, but I wanted to try it with this gel because this gel is bomb. So y'all, check it out. My hair is probably about 80% dry. My strands is dry, but like my roots are still wet. Yeah, I sat under the dryer for a couple of minutes, basically until my hair was like, until my hair felt dry. But I'm gonna take some oil and just apply it to my hair. Castor oil. I use too much though. I'm gonna take off this do-rag. Couple of minutes. I stretch my roots with a blow dryer, and yeah, so it could look better and longer. But I'm gonna sit under the dryer like a little bit longer because some of my hair is not dry all the way. So yeah, but I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video to like other people, other naturalists that has hair like mine's. I have 4A/4B hair. Yeah. So but please share this video to your friends. Yeah, I'm pretty sure people have seen a lot of reviews on Wetline and Stream Gel. I wasn't necessarily doing a review. I just wanted to show y'all a wash and go on my hair because I've never perfected a wash and go before. So yeah. Curly gang, that's what it is over here. Curly gang. Thank you. Peace. Get up on that gang, gang, gang. Bitch, do your thing, 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 thing. Gang, gang.